Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to double touch eFootball 2024 on your mobile. So the first step that you can do here is by going to your game plan and check your team players. So basically having two CF formation are good for performing double touch and shoot. So strikers need to have that double touch skill and long range shooting. So for example, here we have Mbappe, and if we're going to check the player details, as you can see here, one of the skill is the double touch. So you need to make sure that the striker need to have this skill. And also the long range shooting is a plus. Now basically players also need a good finishing and kicking power. So here, as you can see, this player has a good kicking power and finishing. Now here on gameplay, make a normal pass toward the finisher, and then when the ball reaches to the finisher, perform a double touch. So basically right here, you just need to move him diagonally and take a shot with mid-high power. So double touch must be performed before the ball reaches the striker's feet. So when performing double touch, the defenders and GK can't react quickly. So it has high chances to convert that pass into goal. So that's all. That's how you basically double touch on eFootball mobile. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.